What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Lock Shed. Keybeard in the Lock Shed here with you guys today with a fun little show and tell and some fancy picking at the end. I got myself a Kwickset Smartkey salesman sample box. Look at this thing. This thing, I gotta like zoom out a little bit. Can I zoom out a little bit? There we go. Look at this thing. Very cool. Let me get it open for you and I'll show you what goodies we got in this thing. So I couldn't help myself. This thing is awesome. So what's in this? This is the Kwickset Smartkey rekey technology. It comes with 2 deadbolts, a padlock, and a tool to help remove the deadbolts, or a tool to help remove the cores, to help remove the deadbolt. Let me show you a couple of things in here. So here's one. It's just a Kwickset Smartkey deadbolt with 2 different keys that you can show it off, and it's really easy to actually rekey because you can tell these are 2 different keyed, or 2 different cuts. And here's the fancy tool to change it out. So what you do is we're going to grab this guy right here, and this is the working key as of right now. But this guy right here is not the working key. So how do you change the key? How do you change it? How do you rekey these things? So you take this guy, turn him a quarter turn, just like that. Take your little key thing right here, push that in. You can take that out, take this key out, grab your new cut key, slide them in, and then go ahead and turn it. So now this key works. And let's see if this key works. It should not. And it does not. So that's really cool. Then over here we have a different type. This is a Kwickset Smartkey as well. But if you check this out, it has a hidden secret. It has a key control. So you can have, so this one has 3 different keys on it. So let's see here. Which one is the right key? So that's the key control. Let's see. You take this key right here. Yep, this is the working key. Let's say this is on a business and you need a master key. You take this little tool here, slide it right there, give it a little twist, and underneath this cover is a hidden core. So you take that hidden core, and this does have a different keyway cut into it. There we go. And there it is. So that's something pretty cool. And they both have that rekeyable design Smartkeys has. And you just take this guy again and you just twist him back. Like that. Then of course you have your little smart key right here where you can push that in and change the lock. Instead of gutting everything and getting a recut and everything, all you gotta do is just get a new cut key and boom. Same thing with the smart key right here, the smart key padlock. I'm gonna say smart key a lot in this video. You can see this one works just fine, just like that. I think these ones are cut the same. Yeah, these 2 are cut the same. So this is the padlock, which I will be picking open here in a little bit, in a second here. You just take, and you do the same thing with this one. You take it, turn it to a quarter turn, push that button in, pull the key out. We're just going to grab this key right here real quick. Slide him in, lock him up, and there it goes. Just like that. Already keyed up and rekeyed. You can do the same thing. We can take it, open it up, push that little knob in, take that key out, slide the new cut key into it, lock it back up, and now this one works. Look at that. Magic of the smart key. Alright, so now the next part of the video, we're going to be picking this guy open. It's a pretty interesting type of picking. Let's see, this just shows me how to cut it, I think. Or how to change the keys. It comes with a little instruction manual. Doesn't really give you a diagram of what it looks like in there. None of these, well, I think these ones are guttable, but I haven't tried gutting them yet. But what these are is there's tiny little slider pins that have false gates and a true gate. And when you slide in to change, and when you put in a little key changing tool, it locks something in place. So when you slide your new key in, it, you know, brings it to a different shear line of that wafer slider thing, I think. I don't know. I really should have done more research when I made this video, but I didn't. All right, so enough talk. We're going to go ahead and pick this guy open. All right, here we have our Kwickset Smartkey padlock. It's key to this one right here. We're going to go ahead and see if we can pick it open using this fancy little vise of mine. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a good shot here. You're going to want to see some of these good movements. About like right there, I think. Okay. I'm going to be using top of the keyway tension. I'm going to be using Covert Instruments 550 thousandths and a multi-pick, just a standard hook. And let's see what we got here. Here we go. So I'm putting just a tiny little bit of pressure on it, just enough to get that to turn and that little spring action right there. And here's see what we got. So it's kind of like searching for serrated pins because of all those. And I just got a little bit of movement there when I touched 4. There is a lot of counter rotation I've noticed with this one. There we go, nice click. Nice good click on 4. Feels like 3 is binding. Barely pull it back, there we go. Search around a little bit, I think 4 is binding. Slowly bring it back, there we go. See, I'm getting a really good false set. Okay, that was 4 again. Here we go on 2. Nice good click on 2. Nice number, double click on 2. And let's see. Let's go through them all, make sure we got what we want picked. All right, let's go to 1. Just a tiny little bit of a pick right there. Two is good. 3 is good. Now, with these Kwiksets, with those, so they have a lot of false gates, and then the true gate, that's how you can rekey them. So you're kind of looking for anything that does feel like it's binding, but it will have a slight move to it. Nothing there. Maybe 1. Okay, I think I set 1. Move on to, I don't think it's 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think it's 5. I think it's 4. We'll go to 4 here. Okay. Felt something drop. When you're single pin picking these Kwickset Smartkeys, you do get a lot of drops. Like right there, I think 2 dropped on me. Okay, got my false set. Keep looking through it. Looking for anything that just feels like it needs to be set. No. No, I don't think it's that. Need a little less pressure. No. 3, 2. Don't think it's 1, but I'm going to try. Nope, not 1. Okay, it's not that guy. I think I might have overset something. Let me go through it one more try, one more chance to kind of go through it real quick before I do something I regret. I did just feel something drop. That was a good couple clicks on 2. Let's see here. 3 feels okay. 2 feels okay. Is that 1? So I'm going to slowly bring it back just a little bit. There we go. I heard something drop. We're going to start from there. And that was 5, I think, dropped. Before I go back to 5, let me make sure I like where everything else is at. Okay, that was a nice click on 3. Okay, good, good. Barely any pressure. Okay, I think I have 5 set. Back on to 2. Good couple clicks on 2. Ooh, I think I lost something. Right there on 2 again. No. Coming on back. Okay, a couple clicks on 2 again. Nothing really speaking to me now. Might have to reset. Ooh, that was something. That might have been something. Come on now. You do notice this core has a lot of play back and forth. So it just gives it a little extra challenge. Let's see. Just keep on keeping on. Finding anything that feels like it's binding. Let's drop a few things and start from there. It's really easy to overset something. Yeah, I don't think it's that. Didn't think it was that either. There we go. What's this? What's this one? There it is. There's the open at 10 minutes. There it is, guys. That is the Kwickset Smartkey padlock open from my locksmith salesman briefcase. I'll go ahead and close that back up. It is key retained, so that's why it won't lock. So you need to you got to push that shackle back in. I always like to hold the core so it doesn't snap back, just in case. There we go. There we go, and there we go, guys. One Smartkey Kwikset picked and not gutted because you can't gut these things. Anyway, thanks for guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed my little show and tell of the Kwikset salesman sample. And please don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. You know, those ones that are right down there somewhere. Right down there? Yeah, right down there. He likes it. He's a big fan of those buttons being pushed. Thanks for guys watching. Quick little announcement. I probably will be off YouTube for just a little while. I have some good stuff going on in my life right now, which is kind of putting the lock picking at the side burner for just a little bit of time. So don't worry, I'm coming back. I'll still be around, but I might not be making videos for a little while. So anyway, thanks for guys for watching, and happy picking.